my gosh, my flabby arms. Oh gosh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a video about my arms. No, just kidding. Okay. Guys, I feel like I'm insecure about my arms. Anyways, this is about Ipsy. Ipsy has gifted me their Glam Bags, the Boxycharm box, which has a new outfit or color to it, and also some refreshments. So I'm so excited. Again, thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting me these products. So if you want to know what I got from my PR boxes this month, then keep on watching. So stay tuned because at the end of this video, I will have the rules on how to enter in my monthly Ipsy giveaway. I got 3 types of things from Ipsy, and what is in this bag? First of all, I love this bag. Like, look at it. Yellow butterflies and lilac color. It's beautiful. And then the, what do you call that? The drawstring is so pretty. The color scheme for this bag is just done really well. It feels very good quality, and I heard that the Refreshment bags have actually gotten bigger in size. So, do they look bigger? I don't know, but I'm so glad. Basically, refreshments are products that you order from Ipsy, and then after that, they get sent to you every single month. They gave me samples of the refills or what you could get. And this one, guys, I actually got in my box before, but this is the Dazzling Bee-Blade Razor Kit. So it's basically a razor kit that has like 2, let me bring that out. It has the blade, and then it also has 2 of these refills for the blade, and then this side here you attach to your shower, and then the blade just hangs on it nicely, if I'm not mistaken. But I already have this, so I am going to put this in a future giveaway. And the other thing is a pillowy shave cream. Yeah, perfectly goes well together. Next one, guys, the Glam Bag. The Ipsy Glambag is the smallest subscription from Ipsy. It's, I think, $14 a month, and you get 5 deluxe or sample size products in the bag. And you also get like the Ipsy Glam Bag, which has different styles every month. And then sometimes, occasionally, or almost all the time, you actually get 1 full-size product each month from this bag. Ooh, okay, so now I have 2. So I'm definitely giving away the other drawstring bag. It's exact same bag as the refreshment. So if you order refreshments, you could potentially get 2 of the Ipsy Glam bags. I love these for like putting shoes, like maybe your baby's shoes might fit in here. I don't think an adult shoe will ever fit in this one, but it would be nice if they started making that. Let's start with a, ooh, this one's a blending brush. I always need a new blending brush. You could never have enough blending brush. Super soft. This is by Toy Factory. I love the handles. Yeah, it's so pretty. If you guys haven't noticed, I didn't really put a lot of eye makeup on because there's something in this box that I want to use for you guys, and so stay tuned for that. But I do have my base. I filmed kind of like a glowy base makeup routine today, and so be on the lookout for that. Nice brush, so I'm gonna keep that. This one is a lip butter. I'm not gonna open this. Actually, I want to save it for the winter time because hello, we're gonna need this a lot. This one is Liquid Coal by, you know what? It doesn't say, but it's a liquid water resistant eyeliner. Ooh, okay. Do I wanna, I think I still have one that's already open from my previous Ipsy. Next one is the TFB Eyebrow Gel. This one I'm keeping because I am running out of my other eyebrow gel. So it's 100% vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, non-toxic, fragrance-free. Ooh, okay. I'm so glad I'm keeping this one because it seems amazing. And oh gosh, I hope I'm doing it right. I don't know if it has a color or if it is the translucent color, but I love the shape of the one, just nice and small. That's how I like it. This to me is actually a full-size item. I mean, the Benefit Gimme Brow is just a small, is it the Gimme Brow? Anyways, the brow gel is just in the small packaging, so I feel like this is another full-size item. I feel like, oh my gosh, this is full size, guys. This is not a deluxe size. This is also full size. Interesting how Ipsy is giving us more than just one full-size item in the package. Now, pricing-wise, it could probably still total up the same because a lot of these brands I am not too familiar with, but I have encountered some brands by Ipsy that have been amazing, even though they're more like indie brands. And then next one is the Golden Cleanser by Alicia Keys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah, oops. I can't wait to use this. I feel like last year they gave us the Alicia Keys entire line. That was the Glambag X, but they didn't have the Alicia Keys cleanser. And so now I finally get to try it, and it's a little travel size. Not bad. This is the first time I'm keeping probably three. No, it's not probably. I'm definitely keeping 3 of the 5 items from this Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm keeping the brush, the brow gel, and the Alicia Keys cleanser. All right, guys, the star of the show, this brand new Ipsy by Boxycharm, or Boxycharm by Ipsy. I forget. My daughter loved the color of this box. It is so cute. It's like holographic, right? Oh my gosh. And there goes the stuff. But I hope nothing broke. This new packaging is beautiful. If you were to describe Terry's Corner with just one color, it would be this one. Okay, so it's a bunch of different colors, but like this is so me. I don't think I talked about the card, the theme for this month, The Great Escape. Pack your makeup bags because this month we've got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color, whether you're planning a summer vacation or a much-needed mental escape. Even though they say Boxycharm by Ipsy, none of the packaging says that. You know what I mean? Like, I wish it would say like Boxycharm by Ipsy or something like that. Maybe in small print, Boxycharm somewhere. It says Boxycharm right there. If you get the Boxycharm by Ipsy membership, you get 5 full-size beauty products. 3 of them you get to choose, which is amazing, and it's up to $200 in value. And oh, it's right here, $28 a month. The Glam Bag is $13 a month, and you get up to $70 in value, which I think that went up, guys. I feel like it used to be like $50 in value, and now it's $70, and it's showing. It's definitely showing. So I see some great things here. Let's start with the Malin and Goetz Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Okay, so what does this do? Gently and effectively hydrates, balances, and calms the skin. Ooh, I like this. I think I want to keep this. Next one is Candy Paint. Sweet Street Candy Paint. I've never heard of this brand before, but look how glowy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is so glowy. The pigments in there. There. I forgot. I was gonna use this in my glowy makeup. See that? It has kind of like a distinctive candy taste, which I like. And I like the color. I feel like it has a brownie undertone. And you know, guys, I always keep the brownie undertone lipsticks or makeup. So, yes. All right. Next one is by Verb. This is the Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. Okay. Verb. This sounds familiar. I feel like I've gotten it before. But this is what it looks like. Very nice packaging. Has a refreshing scent. I gotta check my scalp exfoliator stash because if I have too many, I just can't get to it no matter what I do, because you exfoliate your scalp at least once a week. It takes a while before you empty up a product. This box has a little too much skincare for my liking, but okay. I think the Ipsy Glam Bag made up for all the makeup stuff though. So next one is the Sweet Dreams Collagen Glow Gold Eye Mask. I love eye mask. Honestly, I'm keeping this. But you know, the good thing is this is individually packed. So I can share some of these with you guys. So I don't have to keep it all. You guys can have some and I can have some. It's a win-win situation. And then the last one, guys, is the Natasha Denona. The Natasha Denona palette. And every single YouTuber I've watched have actually had a broken palette, including mine. But mine doesn't seem as bad. So it looks like this one was just not properly filled. Wow, this is gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna do a quick eye look, but oh my gosh, look at that, the brown. Natasha Denona formula is just amazing. This reminds me of like a pumpkin festival, you know? Ooh, this is gonna be so pretty during the fall. And the cream one. Ooh, everything is very, very creamy, very good. So that's that. Sorry, I didn't do a good job swatching. Let's do a quick eye look on this, but let me get my mirror. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Cleaned up the bottom here and then reapplied more mascara to kind of open up the eyes a little bit more. But yeah, I love this. I love how it turned out. I would love to pack on the colors more, but I love the formula. It's very creamy, very blendable, and then also there aren't a lot of fallout. Given how much kick up they have on the pan, it doesn't translate on the eyes. So I love that. That means like the pigment is really there and that it's sticking and staying put on the eyes. So yes, so what do you guys think? Natasha Denona is really big on their collaboration with Ipsy. So if you're interested in that, you know, maybe at least twice a year, you might get some form of Natasha Denona product. Yeah, so 5 items from the Ipsy Glam Bag. I will be keeping these 2 from this box and then giving that away and maybe do some masking tonight. Oh, okay, so guys, are you guys ready for the giveaway? Here is everything that you're gonna get. This is everything. Let's start with the little stuff. So you will get a choice of your bag. So you get to choose one Ipsy bag, okay? So I've got the holographic one. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's got a purple Ipsy tag. You can have this one, which is the leopard print drawstring bag. We have this one, or this purple fluffy colored one, or the yellow one right here. So this is, and it has like an orange zipper. Oh my gosh, so cute. Everything's so cute. You get to choose one bag from this lineup, and then inside your bag you're gonna get Let's Just Go keychain. Very cute. You get the Juicy Couture candle. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. The Elemis Pro Collagen Night Cream. A little sample size 4 or quad eyeshadow by Oriza. The Gold Faded MD Bright Eyes. This one I got last month, the Hula Bronzer. I have the full size, so I'm not gonna keep the small one. A little itty bitty Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. And then Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Then little sachet ones. But this is, guys, this is 3 eye mask from Dew of the Gods. Really good. And then one from Tatcha, the rice polish. So you get that in the little baggie that you choose. And then you get the double rainbow Glamnetic. Oh my gosh, so colorful. A little mask. Is it an eye mask? You get the Ambitious Violet palette. Very beautiful, guys, especially if you're into purples. But it also has like neutral colors. And guys, if you are not into color, these are good liner colors too. Like I used the blue eyeshadow as a liner today and the orange in the other half as an eyeliner. And then you get a choice of makeup brushes. So you pick whatever you want. So either 2 of these or one or the other. Then a choice again with your lippy. The LA Colors lip gloss. This is the matte liquid lip by NYC right here. And then we have the Trelloose Empower Me matte lipstick. Oh, so pretty. The Farah little mini makeup sponge. The Pink Lips Soft Matte Primer. Kind of reminds me of the e.l.f. primer. You get the Araceli mascara. And then you get a choice of your preferred scent. Scent box. And also a preferred scent from Scentbird. You'll get one of each. And then the Elemis Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. And then one more thing, the Avrani Probiotic Skincare. Oh my gosh, this is a probiotic restoring serum, a balancing serum. Oh, I want to keep it, but I have so many serums, guys. Okay, so that is everything. And all of these are amazing products. So guys, I totally forgot to mention the rules on how to enter my giveaway. Make sure to check the description box for all the details. But this giveaway is open to all my subscribers. And make sure to enter a sun emoji in the comments below. That is quite a lot in my opinion. So guys, what do you guys think? I want to say thank you again to Ipsy for gifting me all these products. And yeah, be on the lookout for another giveaway next month, another Ipsy giveaway. And again, the products aren't always going to be from Ipsy, but I just want to be able to share with you guys because I don't want to be holding on to all of this makeup and skincare. You know, I want to give it away while it's still fresh. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. So definitely stick around, join this beauty community. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.